The aim of the project is to research, design, build, and evaluate an online canteen ordering system for Birmingham City University by delivering a responsive functionality that allows students and staff to place online orders. So, for the user to use the website, the user must first register an online account. So, as you can see, I'm just going to add in some details here. Now, I will be adding in the username and password. Once I click on the submit button, the user will register an online account. So as you can see, it states you have successfully registered. Now, if we go into the database and go into the register table, you can see that those details have been inserted correctly. Also, it was inserted into the user table as well. Now, the user can log into the website. So by clicking the login button here, the user can now log in. So I'm just going to insert those details. Now I'm just going to click the submit button. As you can see, the home page has appeared. Additional page that was added to the website was the contact us page. So as you can see, this was just an additional page. Now, if you click on the menu button, all the menu items of the canteen are appeared in the table. So as you can see, it shows the product ID, the item name, item description, and price for each item. Now, if you click on the My Account button, the user will see his account details and the recent orders once they place an order. So, for example, if they place an order, the order details will be inserted into a table here. So if we click on place an order, the user can choose an item from a drop-down list menu. So for example, if the user chooses hot chocolate and enters a quantity of 1, by clicking the submit button, the user will place an order. As you can see, it states you have successfully placed an order. Now, if you go back to the database and go onto billings table, you can see that the order was placed correctly. Now, if you go back onto the My Account page, you can see underneath recent orders that order was placed successfully, as it states the item name, quantity, and the date and time of the order. Now, another feature that was implemented into the website was for the user to update their account details if they wish to do so. So by clicking on the update button within here, within this table, the user can update their account details. So for example, if we choose John 100 instead of John 123, the user will be redirected to the login page after they update their account. So by clicking on the update button, you can see that the user has gone back to the user login. Now, if you go back to the database, you can see that detail was updated correctly. As you can see, it says John 100. Just going to log in with that same username. So if you go into My Account page, you can see that username has been updated, and as you can see, the recent orders has still appeared here, even though the account username was changed. Now I'm just going to click on the log out button. So as you can see, that the aim has been successfully met, as the user can place an order. Now I will log into the admin panel, where the admin can insert, update, and delete menu items. Also, the admin can view all orders placed by customers. So by clicking on the admin button here, we will use these details from the table in the database. So if you click on admin, you can see these are the details for the admin. So by using these details, so by clicking submit, the admin has now logged in. As you can see, all the menu items are stored within this table, and the admin can update, delete, and insert a record. So, for example, if the admin wants to insert a new record, by clicking on this one here, the admin can do so. So, for example, if we choose pizza, click freshly made, choose a price for the item, choose £1.50. By clicking the submit button, the item will be added into the table and database. As you can see, it states new record created successfully. So if you go back to the menu items, you can see that item was added. Now, if we want to delete an item, we can just click on this button here, and it states the item deleted successfully. So if we go back to the menu button again, menu page, you can see that that item was deleted successfully. Now, if we want to update an item, so for example, if we choose this item here, we can do so. So we can do, for example, pizza. Just choose freshly made. Change the price to £1. By clicking the update button, the item will be updated. So as you can see, it says pizza freshly made. So that item was updated. Now the admin can also view all orders placed by customers. So if we click on the orders button, you can see that the order placed by the user John100 was successfully displayed in this table. So if we go back to the database and go to the billings table, you can see that order ID, the user ID 1, appears here. So for example, if another user registers an online account, logs into the website, his user ID will be, for example, 2, and that will appear here. So the admin knows which customer has placed an order. So by clicking on the log out button, the admin can also log out. So as you can see, the aim has been met as the users can successfully place an order. Thank you for listening to this presentation.